ways. My training is actually as a shaman, and you know, the word divining is working with spirits, and shamans work with spirits, and that's what we're trained to do, is understand the unseen world. And so, you know, in the shamanic traditions, you learn about east, west, north, and south, and they're associated with eagle and cougar and bear and, you know, and buffalo or any other kind of animal, depending on the tradition and the culture. Also associated with different colors, perhaps, you know. And then in the dowsing, you know, if you think about Walt Wood's, you know, chart, it's a wheel, and the wheel has different degrees on it that represent different frequencies. So divining those energies, or understanding what divine energies are, is, you know, we label it all sorts of different things. Sometimes frequencies, sometimes animals, whatever, but we're communicating with the unseen energies around us. And those also, you know, in general reflect the electromagnetic spectrum, which is what creates the universe around us. So the Aboriginal people in Australia have something called the rainbow serpent. And they've done a lot of research where they realize that the rainbow serpent actually represents the visible and invisible spectrum of the electromagnetic spectrum. So when they talk about the dream time, dreaming things into being, they would dream the frequency of the tree, and then the next day the tree would appear, and they'd dream the frequency of the cloud, and the cloud would appear. And it's the same thing when you dowse. You're divining, you're asking for the frequency of whatever, for healing or for water or for whatever, and you come in contact with it and you find water, or you change one state of being to another. So I think sometimes my approach is kind of practical, but you know, but dowsing to me is it's a spiritual, but also it's a physical tool that helps us navigate our world.